Guys, I heard somebody's getting traded today. Does anybody know who it might be? I probably know. I think it's gonna be Mochi. Hey, that's really rude, guys. It's not gonna be me. She always plays with me. I kind of agree with Egg Slime. What? Guys, she always plays with Mochi. It's not gonna be her. You just wait and see, Poppet. It is gonna be Mochi. Yeah, Mochi's like the least favorite. Nobody even likes her. Yeah. I'm not the least favorite. She always plays with me. She never plays with you, Puzzle Ball, or you, Egg Slime. Hey, Mochi, I thought you were supposed to be nice. Oh, sorry about that. I just got a bit angry. It's fine, but guys, wait, she's coming. She is? Yeah, she's coming. Oh, everybody. Who should I trade today? I will trade... Ooh, I know. I'll trade Egg Slime. I don't really like this. I was not expecting that. Yeah, I did not expect that. My best friend! Maybe we shouldn't have been so rude, and that probably wouldn't have happened. Wait, guys, she's coming back. There we go. Much better. Hi, guys. I'm Bumblebee Poppet. Poppet? You're a copycat. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. No, I'm not. Stop fighting, guys. Yeah, you guys are getting, really, really annoying. Just shut up. Yeah, shut up. Hey, that's rude. Guys, can we just all stop fighting and be friendly? Uh-oh. Wait, if she got a new Poppet, that means I'm gonna get traded. I don't want to get traded. Poppet, you're probably not even gonna get traded. Actually, I kind of hope Poppet gets traded. She's so annoying. Actually, I like Bumblebee Poppet way more. I mean, I knew you guys were gonna like me. I'm amazing. She's coming! Who should I trade? Well, I did just get this one, so I don't want to trade that. I really like the Mochi, so I'm not going to trade Mochi. It's super cute. I'll trade... Ew. You. Oh my god. Puzzle Ball's gone? There's only 2 originals that haven't gotten traded. What if we get traded next? I don't think we are. She always plays with us. Doesn't she? I think she does. Yeah, I think she does. She barely even plays with you guys. Also, I don't even know. She's coming! She's much better. I really like this. Hey, guys! Hi? I am Bio Stress Ball. Okay. Hi. You seem nice. Oh, yeah. Also, I heard somebody's getting traded today. Is this normal? She always trades us every single day. Oh, that's a bit weird. She's coming! Who should I trade today? I'm gonna trade a Mochi. Wait, no, what am I thinking? I love Mochi. I'll trade you. Or, actually, no, I'm gonna trade you. I was not expecting that. Now I'm the only original standing. Original, you're acting like you're the only one who matters here. Yeah. Well, that's kind of rude, guys. Does it look like we care? I thought you were nice. Whatever. Yeah. Wait, she's coming. No, she's not. You guys are such liars. No, for real. She is coming. Oh. There it is. Much better. Hi, guys. I'm back. Egg Slime, you're back. But you were kind of rude, so I'm not really happy about that. Shut up. Ugh, you're rude. Ew, she seems rude and nice. Nice? Have you seen her? Ugh. Whatever. Anyways, I heard somebody's getting treated today. Again? She still treats us every day? Yep, I guess so. She's coming. Who should I trade? I'll trade you. I don't really like this puppet. It's not that good. I was not expecting that. Neither was I. Or me. There we go. Much better. I missed you. I'm so glad I got you back. Hey guys, I'm back. Puppet, you're back. You're back? Ugh. Who's Puppet? She was the original. She was here before she got treated. Yeah. Anyways, I heard somebody's getting treated today again. She still does that? I know, I'm surprised. Whatever. Oh, she's coming! You. I don't really like you. I don't really play with that much. What? What the heck? I was not even expecting her to do that. Ugh, I missed you. I have all the originals back now. I'm super happy. I think they're all the originals. They should be. I don't know if they are, though. I think they are. Like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to do part 2. Bye!